Evening and welcome back to the next toolbox video. I've just shot the last toolbox video, the one where I did the flexi ratchet spanner sets, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the impact socket set. So as with the last video, that I've just shot the last video. I'm do all three together at the same time, do one after the other. So here we are, is the 18-piece metric impact socket sets. Now I do have a set of impact sockets. I got them for 20 quid on Amazon, but they'll be fine when I'm out and about. You know, from changing a wheel or something, from going out to somebody and doing wheel changes and stuff, I can do that. But these will be for working in garage with. So there you go. I'll show you that post for the thumbnail, and we'll get this opened. So let's get this wrapping off, this cellophane off, and we'll have a look and see what comes in it. So we've got sizes from 10 up to 32. We've got an impact universal joint and 250mm impact extension. So sizes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30 and 32mm, and they're all half-inch drive. So it'll fit on my big beast, that big beast of an impact drive, that big DeWalt DCF 899, which I featured in a previous video. Get these boxes flattened and I can dispose of them responsibly. And it looks like they haven't skimped on the tape this time on this one. Let's just get this tape off it. I'll just do what I normally do, just nick it. Get it on three sides. Yeah. Get this tape off. Pull off what I can, not get it all off, but just do what I can. Obviously, don't be. This video's a bit boring with me pulling tape off. So, and we just so there we are. It's an impact socket. It's an extension, useful universal joint that'll come in useful. So we just pull one of these sockets out, impact socket, because you're not supposed to use a normal sockets with an impact gun because it can shatter them. But these are designed for use with impact guns. So the Halfords Advanced 21mm, and what it's made of, chrome. I don't know what that is exactly, but obviously it's designed for use with impact guns, whether it's air or cordless. This will complement my impacts quite nicely, and I might even just demonstrate this as well. This is a 21mm, which is what the nuts on the Celica have. So I'll get the big impact gun out and we'll see how it performs. So got my 21mm socket and my impact, and there you go, more than up to the job. Just put that. Just quick ugga dugga, don't want to go too mad. Oh, I don't want to shear the studs off like I've done before. There we go, see, and it's well up to the job, is this impact socket. So I just thought I'd demonstrate it in action. So the next question is where I'm going to put these. I've got room, second drawer down, I've got my bit set and my extension bar, so I'll put these impacts in here. And So I had to do it one-handed, but there we go. I think that'll complement them quite nicely. Looking good. So, yes, I've got new sticker to add to the collection. Furious Driving, a guy called Matt. He has a few cars. He's got a Rover P6 and a Rover Tomcat, and he just got a Volvo 740, very 80s, and quite a bit more rust than expected. And yeah, I had some stickers done. Now the guy who made me the stickers, this guy, the diesel guy, he made me some stickers, but he did a few extras as well. Did this fridge magnet, made me a lanyard and a keyring as well. So that's something I could have made in the future. But yes, I've got stickers available. I'll be giving some away to some of the YouTubers I follow quite closely, and then after that you'll have to pay for them, which should be £2, and that includes postage to anywhere in the UK. It'll cost a bit more to Europe and the United States. Anyway, I'm muffling on, and I'm going to end this video here. So that's it for this video. Next video I'm going to be showing is going to be the Imperial spanners. So I hope you enjoyed this one. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Questions and comments, you know what to put on. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.